It's 1:15. I'm struggling to breathe. And this is oh, today's. Oh, this was absolute gross negligence today with the dodgy gardener who, with a leaf blower down the driveway, didn't see me in the front courtyard. Didn't even stop to look if there was anybody. It blew up all the leaf debris and dust, and I couldn't move fast enough. I was in the wheelchair, out in, well, trying to enjoy fresh air when it's fumes anyway from traffic, but at least getting out of my room. And I screamed out for him to stop, like for someone to do that in an area. And then I was screaming, my support worker rang me and came down and spoken to the manager, saying that's just absolutely negligent. Oh, I wasn't aware. How can you not be aware? You manage this property and you're supposed to know. Why isn't information given to people on this property, from cleaners to whoever it is, about respiratory risk? And this is where even support workers have been using product spray bottles with ammonia dilutant like cleaners, and they think that's okay. This is supposed to be for disability, and this is an incompetent manager who does not understand disability or NDIS on any level. Actually, this whole company has abused my NDIS rights and thinks it's acceptable. I'm not going to tolerate it anymore. Reported to the Quality Safeguards Commission. But here's the problem. Such a backlog that what gets done, I've escalated. January 5th, put a critical incident report within the NDIA. And that's it, the problem. This is where the whole system, and this is a reasonably nice accommodation, but it's caused me great harm because of the inappropriate, just negligent management. Having a gardener just do that without forewarning, like, can still smell and taste the petrol fumes from the leaf blower, but just all the debris. I swallowed it, it got in like I've been coughing up since, and it's just, it's just bad.